Okay, well, let's give this a try. Here we have a trigonometric graph function that we're looking at here. This graph, let's go. The first one is this tall one here, 2 sine 2x. It goes through a period in 180 degrees, and there's the top, there's the bottom. So look, it goes an amplitude of 2, and there we go. And this one is cosine of x plus 45 degrees. It's a cosine graph that's been shifted to the left somehow, 45 degrees. But anyways, there we go. We're looking at it. Write down the period of this big function f. Well, that's the total distance it takes to go through a complete wave, 180 degrees. Oh, that's pretty easy. What's the range? Well, we've got to figure out, this is the top here. Just put 135 degrees in there, and it goes all the way up to 1, like cosine should. That's as big as cosine gets. Well, what's happening at 0 degrees? Well, just put 0 in there. The cosine of 45 degrees, but negative, it's minus root 2 over 2. Well, that means it ranges, at least in this section here, in this period, for g, all the way from 1 down to negative 1 over root 2, or negative root 2 over 2. And that's your answer there. Let's look at the next question. It says, where is f times g? If we took the values for f and multiplied it by g, when would they be greater than 0? Well, they both have to be on the same side of the line for that to happen. And they're not on the same side here. It's just at 45 degrees. So a little bit more than 45 degrees, and they are still on the same side, but right here, oh, f goes down, but g's still up. So the only place is in between these two red dotted lines. The answer is x is less than 90 degrees, but greater than 45 degrees. Now they say, where is f of x plus 1 less than 0? We'll make this easier on yourself and subtract 1 from both sides. They're saying, where is f of x dropping below minus 1? Well, just draw a line at minus 1 and look, oh, it's right here. And they gave us the number there. It's at 105 degrees. That's where it drops below. But look, this is a little bit clever. This is 15 degrees more than 90. It starts dropping below. But these waves are very symmetrical. So it should be the same thing, 15 degrees before it hits 0 over here should be. And what's 15? 180 minus 15? It's not 175, is it? It's 165. I keep making arithmetic mistakes here. That should be 165 degrees. And that would be a little better to have 165 degrees right there. And because that would be the exact right answer. 165 degrees. And does it make sense? I hope it makes sense that if it's 15 degrees away from 90 on one side, it's going to be 15 degrees away from 180 on the other. You see the kind of symmetry of it? Add 15 here, take away 15 there. And that's why it's 165. And there you go.